So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2020. This is question number 9 of the session October-November. We'll be discussing triangles, how to find their areas, and basic trigonometry. I have the question right in front of me. Let's get started. Okay, so they've given us a triangle ABC and they've given us angle A, which is 79 degrees, and AC is 6.4 centimeters in length and BC is 9.5 centimeters in length. They are saying calculate ABC, the angle B. So this is the angle that we need to calculate. The shortest way to find it is using this formula: sine A, or the sine of angle A, over the length of A, which is 9.5. So we use A, we just write the formula first, and then sine B, angle B, over the length of B, which is 6.4. Now we plug in the values. So sine 79 over 9.5 is equal to sine B over the length 6.4. So sine B, since I've already done this to make it quicker, sine B is equal to 0.663131. So the angle B comes out to be 41.4 degrees. So you could write that here, 41.4 degrees. The next part says calculate the area of triangle ABC. Now in order to find the area of a triangle in trigonometry, we can use this formula: half times A times B times sine C, or in short, half AB sine C. Okay, let's have a look at it. So first, in order to use angle C, you need to find what angle C is. So if angle B was 41.4, and if you add 79 and 41.4 and C, you should get 180. Let's do it right here. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180. Angle A was 79, angle B is 41.4, angle C is what we are looking for. So C would be equal to 59.6 degrees. Okay, so we can write 59.6 degrees here and remove the rest. We can remove all of this. Now let's plug the values into the formula. So it says area equals half times A. A is 9.5, the length. So we use 9.5 times B, which is 6.4. We use 6.4 times sine C, which is 59.6. So we use sine 59.6. The area comes out to be 26.2 centimeters squared. Okay, that is your answer, so you can write it right here, 26.2 centimeters squared. Okay, let's move on to the next part. Now they've given us a three-dimensional figure. This is a pyramid ABCD. The length AD is 9.8. The length CD is 8.2, and the length BC is 9.5. We need these three lengths probably to calculate the question, to whatever question they've asked. So calculate BDC. So they need this angle right here. In order to find this angle, the easiest and the shortest way is to use the cosine formula. This is the cosine formula. Write the formula first. Cosine rule. This is what it is. C square equals A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Sorry, this is the cosine formula. I was about to write cos. I was about to write sine. So let's write cos instead. So cos C. Okay. Now C is going to be the length BC in this case. So we do BC squared equals AB. A can be BD. So we do BD squared plus, and B can be CD in this case. So we do CD squared minus 2 times BD times CD cos C. Okay, BC is 9.5. 9.5 squared. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, 9.5 squared. BD is 9.8. So you do 9.8 squared. And CD is 8.2. So you do 8.2 squared minus 2 times 9.8 and 8.2 cos C. Okay. Now we have less space, so we have to squeeze the stuff in this space. So you get 90.25 equals 96.04 plus 67.24 minus 160.72 cos, again I was about to make the same mistake, cos C. Okay, now we move the numbers around just to find the value of C. So when we do that, we take these two numbers and bring it to the left. When we do that, we need to subtract these numbers from 90.25. I've already done that, so I'll make it short. You get negative 73.03 equals negative 160.72 cos C. Okay, in order to find the value of cos C, you divide negative 73.03 by negative 160.72. And when you do that, you plug it into your calculator to find the value of cos. In this case, the value comes out to be 63 degrees. So this is your answer, 63 degrees. You write that here. Okay, let's move on. I believe this is the last part of the question. It says calculate the angle of elevation of D from C. The angle of elevation is going to be this angle right here. Sorry. Let me remove the remaining marks that I made on the thing. Okay, this is the angle of elevation. In order to find the angle of elevation, if you look at this triangle ADC, we have 6.4, which is the adjacent, and we have 8.2, which is the hypotenuse. So when you have an adjacent and a hypotenuse, you use cos theta. So in this case, cos C is what we are looking for. Adjacent is AC, so you write AC, and the hypotenuse is DC, so you write DC. Okay, now the value of AC is 6.4 and the value of DC is 8.2. Now you find the value of C, you do cos inverse of this fraction, and the value of C comes out to be 38.7 degrees. That is your answer. I hope the question made sense. The complete working of the question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.